diaries, cupcakes and extension balls. Homemade fun with pistas, almonds, cranberries and condensed milk with dark. Wrapped activity books. They contain these 2 activity books. I'm also selling Christmas cards and white chocolate and cranberry Christmas popcorn. We are selling macrame, sourdough cookies, masks and pebble art. So I'm selling stone frames, happiness jars, positivity pebbles and tic-tac-toe games. I'm selling 2 games. One is called Attack of the Fort, other is called Life of Swaraj.
We're selling sustainable and eco-friendly cleaning solutions.
I'm selling chocolate spreads and the base for them is almonds and peanuts, so they're very healthy.
I'm selling handmade natural soaps and lemonade, planters, plant decorations and plants. I'm selling Christmas decorations, food items, snacks, snowman, hangings, microgreens and a sand skin. We're selling cupcakes, they're vanilla and chocolate in premium boxes. Hi, I am selling ragi, idli dosa batter and jawar idli dosa batter and I'm selling idli to eat. Our stall is called Bookies. We have butter cookies which are eggless and we have eco-friendly bookmarks made out of resin.
We're hoping to make a profit of around 7,000.
About 10,000 because my cost will be a bit high as well. About 10,000. If you're sold out, we'll make about 11,000. I think maybe 12,000 or something. In total, about like 15,000 rupees. 20,000.
I'm planning to make 26,000 today.
I want to do something related to math or again designing products because these are things which I enjoy a lot as well.
I've always been interested in space. That's why I created this activity book. So I kind of want to study space. I want to be a footballer, an environmentalist, a doctor. I want to be a footballer actually. I want to be a doctor.
Sometimes I feel like I want to be a scientist.
A teacher. I want to be a businesswoman. To be an artist. Probably a businessman.
I feel like I want to be an entrepreneur because today it feels like amazing.